Learning Center, you can not only just find courses, but you can also save them for later. To do this, if you click into a course that you're looking to take, scroll down, you'll get a brief overview of what the course offers. The course summary will be listed here with what you will gain by taking that course. Here, you can also bookmark a course. This means that you can create a list of courses that you can then come back to later on. If you were to bookmark this course, to find it later, you would just have to come to your Learning Center and click on the My Activities button. Once you click My Activities, you have a tab that says Bookmarks. If you click into the Bookmarks tab, that course is now listed right here. And if you click into that course, it'll bring you right to that course to take. Here, you will just be able to click the Take Course button, and this button will then take you to the third-party website to take the course. From there, all you will need to do is upload your CME certificate back to your Mocingbird dashboard, and we will take care of the rest.